exercise 2.5, 2x square plus x minus 15 less than or equal to 0. 2x square plus x minus 15 less than or equal to 0. I want to find the factors of the inequality. So that factors are x plus 3 into 2x minus 5. X plus 3 and 2x minus 5 are the factors of the given inequality. Here the critical points from the factors are minus 3 and 5 by 2. When we plot these points in the number line, here minus infinity and here plus infinity, here 3, here 5 by 2. I got 3 intervals now, isn't it? Minus 3 and plus 5 by 2. Okay, so I got 3 intervals now. So the first one is minus infinity to minus 3. The second one is minus 3 to 5 by 2. The third one is 5 by 2 to infinity. So in each interval, how the value of x will be, either it is plus or minus, we want to find here. Okay, so take the intervals first. The first interval is minus infinity comma minus 3. So in this interval, if we take minus 4 from this interval, if we take minus 4, so instead of this x put minus 4. So what will be the answer? Minus 4 plus 3 is minus 1. We want only the symbol, so minus. The second factor is 2x minus 5. If you put minus 4 instead of this x, minus 8 minus 5, yes, the value will be minus only. The resultant of this, the multiplication of this two factors are minus into minus, it is plus, that is positive. Now we want to take this next interval, second interval. In this interval, minus 3 comma 5 by 2. So 0 is there. So 0 is also in this interval. So we can take 0 now. If you substitute instead of x as 0, 0 plus 3 is plus only. So here we got plus. Here if you put 0, it will be minus. So plus into minus, we will get minus there, so that it is negative. Next one, the next interval is 5 by 2 to infinity. You can take any number. For example, I can take 3. Okay, 5 by 2 is 2.5. So above 2.5 I can take there. For example, I can take 3. If you take 3 here, this is positive. If you take 3 here, 6 minus 5 is also positive. If you multiply both the things, you will get resultant is also positive. So, but in the problem it's given there, that is less than or equal to 0. Less than or equal to 0 is nothing but it must be less than symbol. Okay, the negative symbol. So where we got this negative symbol in this here? So I got here. Negative symbol is there. So I can shade this portion. X lies in this interval. So the solution set is x belongs to this minus 3, 5 by 2, and it is included both the numbers, and because it is given less than or equal to, so minus 3 comma 5 by 2 satisfies 2x square plus x minus 15 less than or equal to 0. The next problem, solve minus x square plus 3x minus 2 greater than or equal to 0. Here in x square itself we have minus. We want to change that inequality. So multiply with minus symbol. So we can get x square minus 3x plus 2 less than or equal to 0. Then we want to find the factors of this inequality. So x minus 1 into x minus 2 less than or equal to 0. From this we can get the critical numbers 1 and 2. and then we want to find the intervals of the number line. Okay, so in that number line we can easily mark the, look at here, the number line is here, the 1 is here and 2 is here. We got 3 intervals here, here and here. 3 intervals we have. In the first interval, minus infinity to 1, I can take any number in between this. For example, I can take 0 also here. If you want to put 0 here, 0 minus 1 is minus 1. So minus symbol. Here 0 minus 2 is minus 2, here minus. So minus into minus, answer is plus. And then in the second interval, between 1 and 2, we will get 1.5. Okay, so if you substitute 1.5, suppose here instead of x 1.5 is there, 1.5 minus 1 is 0.5, that is plus. Here 1.5 minus 2 is minus 0.5, that is negative. If we multiply both the things, the answer will be negative. The next one, in this interval 2 to infinity, suppose I want to take 3 now. 3 minus 1 is 2, positive. Here 3 minus 2 is 1, that is also positive. If you multiply both the things, it will be plus. So I can say this is plus. In the problem, here it is given less than or equal to 0. So given less than or equal to 0. And where we had this less than means negative. So where we got negative here, here. So in this interval, I got negative. So I want to conclude this. X belongs to 1, 2 satisfies minus x square plus 3x minus 2 greater than or equal to 0. So it's not greater than, it is less than or equal to 0. The problem is less than or equal to 0. Here this is the closed bracket because we have to include this 1 and 2. So that we put this closed bracket like this. This is the problem for this. Okay.